Suppose you have a dictionary that other parts of your program need to read, but you don't want them to modify it. Here's an example. Okay. Reading values works exactly like a normal dictionary. Now, let's see what happens if we try to update it. Python raises a type error because a mapping proxy type object is read-only. But here's the interesting part. The proxy itself can't be modified, yet it still stays synchronized with the original dictionary. Okay. Even though we never touched the proxy, it immediately reflects the latest changes. That's because mapping proxy type doesn't create a copy of the dictionary. Instead, it provides a live, read-only view of the original object. So, the owner of the original dictionary can continue making update, while everyone else gets safe read-only access. This is especially useful when you want to expose configuration data, look up tables, or shared application state without allowing accidental modifications. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video.